Let's go. Adventure time.
We're going to Yahoo Falls in McCreary County, Kentucky, and we're planning on jumping in.
Just like the old classic VBS song, I'm diving in, I'm going deep. And over my head I want to be. Oh my gosh, lost in the flow. And over my head I want to go. We are at Chick-fil-A drive-thru. We're getting chicken. This is the longest line I've ever seen in Chick-fil-A quarantine history. This just in, they have flaxseed wraps. We're very excited for them. Gabrielle Naylor is gonna get a flaxseed wrap. She's so excited. Are there vegetables on it? We will find out momentarily.
Lettuce.
Please, lettuce what?
Oh my goodness.
Vegetable puns brought to you by LA. We're here at Yahoo Falls, not yet. Mile and a half we'll be there. And a little bit longer we'll be there again. Gabby didn't believe, but I'm gonna believe. So the leafy moth is, they grow up to that size and they live for about 18 weeks. They live indigenous to Kentucky and surrounding areas like Tennessee and Missouri.
And they don't move.
They don't move very often. They actually, this is out of their kind of climate, but normally they're only predominantly in June and July in the summertime. But right now they're kind of out earlier because the weather's kind of a little warmer. But this little buddy, we've named him Steven.
All right, we're here at Yahoo Falls.
Yahoo!
Yahoo! The tallest waterfall in Kentucky. Yeah, Yahoo, baby!
Now you see here, we have a gigantic waterfall with water at the bottom. Who knew that it filled up this water basin?
It's approximately 200 feet high.
Approximately, it could be more,
Maybe
but approximately.
What do you think it is, about 75 kilometers?
75 kilometers. That's our measurement.
For the people in Canada.
It is probably 0 degrees Celsius. It's probably freezing, maybe not, we don't know.
Now, he's not lying, the water is about
very cold.
52 degrees.
52 degrees.
At top.
Which is the same as Celsius.
Top.
Nah.
Yeah.
Either way, 63 degrees maybe.
But
there we go.
Take your family, you need to come here, it's beautiful.
It's gorgeous, any time of year, fall, winter, spring, autumn.
There's all kinds of children and parents and dogs and all that here.
We love it. The water is falling at about approximately 32 miles an hour.
The only bad part of our trip is when Johnny fell off the top.
It was rough. I'm a stand-in. I'm not Johnny.
Fractured his spleen.